Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how you can view and manage your YouTube subscription list effectively. Subscription on YouTube allows you to keep up with the content posted by your favorite creators. It's like following someone on social media. The only difference is you're following them to get updates on your new videos. Now let's get started with the steps to view your subscription list. Step 1. Open your YouTube application. Now after you've headed to your YouTube application, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the subscriptions tab. Here you can see a list of your subscription list. Tap on all. And here you'll see a grid of all the channels you're subscribed to. You can scroll through this list to find your favorite creators. You might also want to manage the subscriptions. For that, click on Manage or simply click on the bell icon and tap on Unsubscribe, Personalized, None or All. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to view and manage your YouTube subscriptions. It's a great way to keep your feed clean and focus only on the content that interests you the most.